Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's Mr. Millette. Actually, it's good morning because I'll be back in the afternoon. But I wanted to leave you the quick little video as to what I'm expecting you to be working on while I'm gone. You have Mr. Kulitz in here today as your guest teacher for the first half of the day. This will cover literacy as well as science class. So, in the world of literacy students, you're expected to continue working on your poster. Your poster, remember, you've got the rubric, you know what you're looking for. We've got some examples on the side over here. If you are using your rubric, you should be able to walk through and get this completed. When it comes to a correlation statement, the correlation statement is what is the relationship between carbon dioxide and temperature. There is one, and I need you to come up with a 2 to 3 sentence statement showing that connection. Maybe even showing some data, dates, changes in graphs, things of that nature. You've got 3 questions on that worksheet as well that you should be answering. And when you think you're done, when you think you've got it glued together, remember? Top drawer over here on the side is where you'll find your glue sticks. When you think you've got it done, make sure that you've written your answers as neat and as cleanly as possible. Please do not submit Doctor's Chicken Scratch as your final draft. Thank you. Alright, now we're on to science class. So, Kulitz, in the future you might have to zip ahead to get to this point. Now, science class. Gentlemen, ladies, you've been working on the introductions into electricity. Today's focus for you is to focus on the section 1 in your science textbook. So, you're going to grab your textbook, you're going to grab a piece of white line paper, which you can find in the center table right over here, and you're going to start off with building a vocabulary list. So all I'm really doing here, and this book is really set forward nice and easy for you, looking for highlighted and bolded yellow words and terms. I'm going to define them in a, not a T-chart, this is 2-column notes, folks, so notice a T-chart would be smack in the middle. This line is over here to the left-hand side. Information, I want you to pull your definition from the text. Then, once you've gotten all your vocab words, please begin a notes section. And I would make the recommendation to break it into a couple areas. See the word electricity? That's in blue. Electricity has 1, 2, 3 topics. So I've got 1, 2, 3 topics that I've listed here within the main topics, so this would be subtopics, and I'm going to comment on each one with a couple of notes. Then, once I've finished all of section 1 taking notes, I'm then going to perform the section review questions over here. We've got 1 through 6. If you could finish 1 through 6 at the bottom or on the back side, that is your homework. So, if you don't finish it in class today, that is your homework. Now here's the thing. 2 things for you to work on in class. Vocabulary, notes, and you can start your homework. But instead of finishing your homework, because I'd like you to do that at home, instead of doing your homework at home, could you please take this worksheet here, which is entitled B6 through B8. It's called Activity 12 Worksheet. And these will all be available on the center table. And you'll notice right here, Activity 12 Worksheet. Please read and perform the tasks asked on this worksheet. You're going to be answering them all right here for Activity 12. Activity 13 is this page right here. Again, you're going to be answering all Activity 13 questions right here on this page. So, don't write on these pages. Return them back to the piles. Put all your answers on this page. The supplies you're going to need. The supplies you're going to need are right here. We've got D batteries and we've got wires. Notice how they're stored, wrapped around a pen or a pencil. I want them returned this way. And there's light bulbs underneath here. You only need 1 light bulb and 1 wire and 1 battery. Do not take more supplies than you need. Everything should be returned in here. In fact, Mr. Kulitz will be standing over here distributing this supplies and making sure that he gets them back before the last 5 minutes of class. Alright folks, so now you know what to work on. You know not to write on the activity worksheets but on the answer key worksheet that I showed you before. And at which point, please return the worksheets, please return the supplies, and I will see you on Thursday. Have a great day folks. Bye-bye.